Know how to use a tablet or an iPad? Then you know how to use a MyAir control panel. Simply tap on the function you want and follow the prompts. To turn the system on, tap here. This mode screen displays your aircon status. Right now the system is set to on, 24 degrees, medium fan speed and cooling. You can adjust any of these settings directly from the mode screen. To set an on or off timer, simply tap the timer button and choose from the timer options. The easiest way to save energy is to only run the system in the rooms that you are using. To do that, press the Zones tab or swipe across. To open or close a zone, tap on it. To adjust the airflow or temperature to each room, press the plus or minus icon. Rooms with temperature sensors will have a thermometer icon next to them. If you see this M, it indicates the optional MyZone feature has been activated in your system. The dark grey thermometer indicates your MyZone. The room that is acting is the thermostat for your whole house. To change the MyZone, tap on another thermometer. This running man icon indicates that this room has a motion sensor. If he turns dark grey, the room is empty or someone is keeping very still. In which case, simply tap on the man to deactivate the sensor. We've designed our system to be as intuitive as possible, but if you do need help, it's just a tap away. To make comfort easy, setting scenes is the answer. Tap Scenes, then tap the plus button. Under Set the Scene, check your temperature, fan speed and zones are set up the way you want. Decide when you want the system to turn on and off, what days you want it to run, then save. You can create up to 10 unique scenes. As the old saying goes, you can't control the weather, but that doesn't mean you can't outsmart it. You can monitor your suburb temperature and clear or sunny forecasts. Monitors gives you the ability to automatically run tasks when specific weather events occur in your suburb during a designated period of time. You can either set an alert to send a notification to your paired mobile device so you can manually activate features, or you can set an auto action. Just like scenes, you can set the air conditioner to run just as you like. With up to 20 monitors available, there are plenty of ways to look after your home. The final button, Setup, allows you to rename the zones and choose your options to set specific features you would like your MyAir system to run. My Comfort is a trio of features aimed at giving you more control of your home's climate. My Sleep Saver, My Fan, and Temperature Control. At night, you can choose My Sleep Saver. This mode will automatically change the mode of your air conditioning system from cooling to fan and continue circulating air through the house from 10 PM to 6 AM. This will save money on your energy bills during those hot summer nights and help reduce noise for your neighbours. Temperature control includes MyTemp and MyAuto features. MyTemp acts as an automated MyZone and will actively work to achieve the desired temperature of each zone and maintain this throughout the day. Once MyTemp is selected, you can confirm it is on by returning to the mode page. You will see that your target temperature has now been replaced with the MyTemp Happy Home icon. For full temperature automation, at the touch of a button, you can set MyAuto. Simply select MyAuto. Once it is enabled, you can select it on the mode page. MyAuto is perfect for spring or autumn, with warmer temperatures during the day and cold nights.